Hey YouTube, this is the Passive Cash Stacker, where we show you how to do internet how-tos, social media marketing, bot and plugin reviews, how to work from home, and most especially, how to get free live cable free of charge for life. Well, today we're going to tackle the issue, how come I can't click on an icon or a shortcut and move it anywhere. All right. So what you need to do is you need to right click and then press escape, and it should allow you to start moving your icons once again. Yeah, so I had that issue where basically I couldn't click on anything, and it wouldn't let me drag it or drop it anywhere, and I couldn't move any of my icons. So what you do is you right click, you press escape, and it'll allow you to do it. So you see here, now I'm able to move it anywhere I want to. So hopefully that was informative, a quick how-to. Give us a big thumbs up if it solved your problem, and we will talk to you later. Please subscribe.